welcome to my video, and today I'm going to be making, attempting to make slime. It's my third try, this is my third one since my videos kept coming out. But what you need is a spoon and a bowl and shower gel or body wash and shampoo or hand soap. So I put my shower gel in my hand soap in. I just added 3 pumps. Gonna put this up here. And yes, I'm in my bathroom, different setting. And I'm gonna stir this up. And I'm gonna go get some salt. So let's see how this works, guys. So I have my slime. Oh, not my slime, my shower gel and hand soap combination here, and then I'm gonna go get some salt. I'm not sure how much salt you need. Oh, here's some. Add some salt for dinner. And I'm going to take the salt, put a fair amount in there. I think that's good. And I'm gonna stir it. Guys, I'm not sure the exact measurements of the mixture. I just know you have to put some salt in there. Now it's just a watery consistency. So I'm just showing you guys. And I got this from a YouTube video. I forgot the YouTube channel, the creator of this recipe, but I know I got it. It needs to be thicker. Need some more hand soap. I'm about to go get some more hand soap. So I have my slime. I'll show you it. It's my slime so far. I'm not sure if it's failing because it's not getting thick. Because it's getting pretty soupy. See the consistency? I'm going to add a little more salt. Because I started doing this when I added the salt. So I'm not sure if I was the salt or what. Maybe I hate shit. Oh gosh. Should not be using salt, but see how the consistency is. Oh no, it's so soupy. And it's like, it has like the salt texture too. Like if I was making baby live crumble or something, this would be perfect. Like, if you hear the the flakes are just, ugh. I think I added too much salt. That's probably the reason. I added too much salt, guys. I need some more hand soap. So I just added some more hand soap. And I'm not sure if it's working. By the looks of it, it's not working. I think I need to stir it more because like there's salt. Like, when I felt it, it was, like, flaky. Like, you can feel the salt in it. And it shouldn't be flaky. Because I think I ruined the slime. Because I just added some laundry detergent and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Doesn't that look terrible? I'm super. But I think if you want to make slime, you need, like, if you want to make this slime, you need some measurements. As you can see, it was not supposed to be laundry detergent in here. And I completely messed this up. But this is the first Whitney Betta upload challenge. So, yeah. Slime fail for you. This is the slime fail video. This was not supposed to be planned. I'm very, oh gosh, no. Get out my face. I'm very very, 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 very annoying. Gosh. But yeah, then I'm just gonna show you how it turned out. Soupy. Like if I even touched it, it's watery. It's freaking soupy, guys. This is a freaking slime fail. So yeah, that's a slime fail for you. So I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'm in my dad's bathroom. And I'm pouring it out since this was a freaking fail. Like, I've made slime before and I